Hey, today we're going to show you how to use this blood pressure machine that fits around your wrist, okay? Stay with us, see how to use it. Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, we picked up this blood pressure machine that fits around your wrist. It'll take your blood pressure and save it. You can go back and look at it and look at others and all that. Stay with us and see how to use it here, okay? That's a box that comes in right there. Here it is, okay? Come out like that. It fits on your wrist like this. Okay. And fold that around there. That fits under your arm like that. What you want to do is make sure your feet are flat on the floor. You're in a comfortable position. Push the little on button right there and put it up against your heart like this. And it'll start putting pressure on until top number. I think that's where your heart beats. Then it'll start releasing that pressure. It goes down to the point where it catches the beats in between the heartbeats and stuff, or something like that. The high number, low number, anyway. Okay, so we got it on our wrist right here. It's a little Velcro strip fits right there. Press the little on button right there. All right, put it up against our heart. Just breathe normal. Okay, right there, it quit making pressure, so it got that high number. No, I need a little bit more, it thought. Now it's got it. Now it's going to start releasing pressure to get down to the point where it takes the low number. Feet flat on the floor, comfortable position, just normal breathing. Takes a couple of minutes or so. All right, 149 over 58. See that? That's a little high. Me talking and all that may have made a difference. Let's do it again. So press, if you want to save that number, push that M right there and it'll save it. All right. There it is. Saved it in memory. You can go back and check it by looking, pressing that M again. Watch here. There's that one. Button's a little lower. Press it again. Another number. Another number. Some of those are pretty high, aren't they? Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to check it again. Okay, that number was a little high. So what we're going to do, we're going to press that start button again. Check it again. I'm not going to talk during this one because that may have affected it. I don't know. Feet flat on the floor. Okay. Push the start button and hold it over your heart. 147 over 62. That's pretty high. I take a medication to keep that down, so we're going to try it one more time, okay? Let's get comfortable here. Still 152 over 61, see there? Now, I take a prescription, so it keeps it down. Now, you store it in memory right there, hit that M. You had stored it. Now, if you want to look at previous ones, that's 152 or 61. There's the previous one, 147 over 62, 149 over 58, 139 over 55. So you see how it is? When you're through, press the little button, it turns it off. Unwrap it. You're done. Now inside here, there's a little chart that shows you how to do it, tells you how to do it, and what blood pressures are and all. It says normal, less than 120, and less than 80, top and low number. If it's a little bit high, 120 through 39, 80 over 89. The hypertension is a 140 and above, so that's why I take medication for it, okay? So now you're through with it. Put this little guy right back in here. Close it up. There it is. Just keep it around. You can test it anytime you want to. Just remember, keep your feet flat on the floor. Relax and put the meter over your heart, and you're ready to go. Now, we did a video on one that fits around here and presses up, okay? I'll leave you a link to that one right up here, okay? So go check it out too. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.